Hey everybody, and welcome back. Today's going to be a quick video and showing you how to bind your Spektrum DX RUGGED remote. This should work with the Pro model. I'm very positive it will. And just be sure you have the SR-215. I'll pop a picture above so you can see. So all you want to do from this point is go ahead and power on your radio. Then you want to go ahead and go down to Model Select. And as you can see, we already put the name in, UL19. So we're going to go ahead and select that. Then you want to go down to Bind and Frame. And just get it ready. So we're going to go ahead and hit OK. And then you're going to scroll down to the bind, but you're not going to press OK yet. Alright, so now what you want to do is go ahead and go to your boat and make sure your batteries are plugged in and hit the power button. Then we're going to come over here and you're going to see a red button. Go ahead and press that button down and hold it until it flashes. It's only about maybe a second. Then what you want to do is come back to your remote and you want to hit bind. And there you go. Now everything should work. Let me go ahead and get Twix out of the way. Come on, honey. You can't be anywhere around here. Come on, Batman. Okay, we're just going to check the steering. And then we're just going to hit the throttle a little bit. And there you go. Check out reverse. Reverse good, works good. Alright, guys. And that's it. As simple as that. If you want to use your Spektrum DX5 or your Pro model, as long as you have an SR receiver, which this is the SR-315, and you'll be good as gold, ready to rock and roll. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and have a great day.